Welcome, I'm SdKelley. With Mother's Day practically around the corner, really just in 2 days, and you need that extra gift to give to somebody who is a mother or going to be a mother, or even is a pet mama, these are the perfect gifts are these floral scented candles, and I show in this video how to make them. And I use just Dollar Tree products. This basket is where I keep all my candle making supplies, mostly that I get from Dollar Tree. In fact, I think all of these are from Dollar Tree. I have some scented oils, some crayons for coloring, some molds, some silicone molds that is, and these are great for making like little pictures on candles. And I have some other wax melts and some tapered candles that I usually break up to melt. And I have these 2 glass jars that I will use and these 2 wee yogurt jars that I'll use to melt the colors. I also got some things from Dollar Tree like these scented wax melts that I'll be using and these 2 beautiful little Trinket boxes that will serve as candle holders. I'm breaking up some white tapered candles that I got from Walmart for $1.98. They come in a package of 4, or you can buy 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. I'll be extracting the wicks from them once the wax is melted, and I'm melting them in these jars that I used in a previous project. I'm starting with hot steamy water so that I'm already mostly there. You don't want the candle holders to float around and get water inside the jar, but I'm soaking these jars just to melt the old wax out of them, and I'll be putting these colored scented blocks and these crayons in them to make the colors of the candles. Once the glasses are done soaking, and that's these wee yogurt jars right here, I'm going to go ahead and take a paper towel and just wipe out all the old wax that's remaining, and then I'm just putting the colored blocks in there, these wax melts that are scented, and some crayons. The crayons just add a bit more intensity to the color. The color will be diluted some with the clear wax, and I add the clear wax to make the candle fuller. I'm taking the extracted wicks and I'm wrapping them around these wooden skewers that I use for my candle making projects, and I have them touching the bottom and curving in an L shape just a little bit so they'll be anchored down. I'm just stirring the wax a little bit to agitate what's not melted and to help it melt faster. It's okay for the water to boil, but you don't want the wax to boil or you'll have to start over. After pouring the colored wax in, I poured some clear on top of that to blend in and just to make the candle fuller. I didn't do these candles a couple layers at a time, which is ideal if you don't want it to tunnel or anything like that and to be nearly perfect. I'm making these for myself, so I'm just going to hurry up and get these done. It's really up to you. They're going to work all the same. Because I didn't pour this in layers, I'm just lifting the wick up and down so it can pick up weight and it'll help anchor it in place, and I'm using the lids to help hold the sticks in place. After the candles harden, I just snip the wick. I sign the inside of the lids, which of course is optional. I used a metallic Sharpie for that. And here's how they turned out. They really do make lovely gifts, put up a nice scent, and they're slow burning, which I really like. I'm not sure if that's because of the tapered candles or because of the melted wax scents that I used, but these really do make a great gift for your mom or for anyone. I hope that you'll like, comment on, and share my video, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and tag me with related content. My name there is SagiCat, after a sweet cat named Sagittarius. Once again, I am sdkelley, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.